Linehaul Truck Sales presents 2007 Peterbilt 379 Extended Hood. Flex Air suspension, 270-inch wheelbase, 355 ratio, dual polished aluminum fuel tanks, dual chrome stacks, full light panels, chrome mud flap hangers with LED tail lights, heavy duty diamond plate fenders, dual stainless breathers, (11R) 22.5 drive tires, dual line wet kit, Cummins ISX15 565 horsepower, (1.2 million miles), 18 gauge package, 3-stage engine brake, Eaton Fuller 18-speed transmission, 70-inch Unibuilt stand-up sleeper, plenty of overhead storage, refrigerator, brought to you by Linehaul Truck Sales. For more information, give us a call, send an email, or check us out at linehaul.net.